Unraveling the Support. Behind someone 100%. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Behind someone 100%. This expression is a wonderful example of how English speakers convey unwavering support and confidence in someone else. If you've ever wondered what it means to be fully supported by someone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. When someone says they are behind you 100%, they're not talking about physical positioning. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical way of expressing complete support, faith, or belief in another person. It means that they are fully committed to supporting you, whether in your decisions, actions, or during challenging times. The number 100% here symbolizes totality or completeness. It's a way of saying that there's no doubt or hesitation in their support. It's absolute. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal relationships. If your friend is starting a new business and you say, "I'm behind you 100%, it means you fully support their entrepreneurial journey, whether that's through encouragement, advice, or even financial support. 2. In professional settings. A boss might tell an employee, "I'm behind you 100% on this project," indicating full confidence in the employee's abilities to handle the project successfully. 3. In sports and competitions. Coaches often use this phrase to motivate their team, saying, "I'm behind you 100%, to boost their confidence and morale. While the phrase is overwhelmingly positive, context matters. The sincerity and the actions following this statement can greatly impact its meaning. Saying you're behind someone 100% carries a promise of support, and failing to live up to that can lead to disappointment. It's important that when this phrase is used, the speaker truly means it and is prepared to show their support through actions, not just words. Understanding phrases like "behind someone 100% can enrich your English learning journey, allowing you to express support in a powerful and culturally nuanced way. Whether it's in personal relationships, professional settings, or even in casual encouragement, knowing how to use and respond to such expressions can significantly enhance your communicative skills. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this popular phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying emotions and intentions. Keep learning, and don't forget, we're behind you 100% in your language learning adventure. See you in the next video.